Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to unbox this Jam Edukit 3, which is for robotics, and see what comes inside this. Okay, so this is not the original unboxing video. I opened it and I took the contents out and I packed it inside. Sorry about that. So let's get started. Actually, I don't need this because it's already opened. Let me open it. There we go. Okay, so nothing really interesting here, just this cool robot. And you can see we have the wheels. And this is the motor controller board, two motors, a ball caster, and the distance sensor and the light sensor, double tape, or resistors. One just fell. And we have the battery pack, an empty battery pack, and we should provide batteries ourselves, and the cover, and finally, and more double tape, and not finally, item, we have the jumper leads, male to female, male to female jumper leads, and finally the breadboard. And nothing down the bottom, just some decorations at the bottom. Nothing special. You should provide a Raspberry Pi yourself. And this is just the unboxing. If you want me to make a video of unboxing my Raspberry Pi, make sure you like and subscribe to this. And yeah, peace, bye bye, peace out.